Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to magnify or zoom in, zoom out any widget or any view in SwiftUI for native iOS application. So here, as you can see, I have this image for my SwiftUI application, and if I touch, like pinch to zoom, I can zoom this image. I can zoom out as well. If I want, I can zoom out even further. So yeah, that's what this application will do. Of course you will have to run this on a real iOS device. Like I tried running it on simulator, it does not work for me. So let's get started. Actually the code is pretty simple. So here I have just created a SwiftUI application, and inside the assets folder I have added few images. Choose whatever image you feel like. Then here I have added this current zoom as well as total zoom variables. Here I have loaded this image, so this is my image name. Use your own image name. I'm keeping the image resizable. This is the frame and this is the aspect ratio. This is the scale effect, and this is the important part of gesture. So all we have to use is the magnifying gesture, and on change of it we just change the current zoom, and on ended we update the total zoom and set the current zoom equal to 0, and this is for accessibility. So yeah, do add this particular part for zoom as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.